Hi.
Hi.
So today we're talking about how to set up a new property. Let's start. You were the one who set up the first property back in the day. So how did that go? What did you do?
So obviously, when you do it for the first time, you'll make a lot of mistakes, lot of them, and then you try to learn from them and try to improve in the next one. But I'm sure that there will be a lot of people, a lot of travelers who want to set up their own hostels and who want to set up their own properties. So I hope this will help you. I think the first mistake I did when I opened Manali was that I got so frustrated from Rishikesh because it took my more than 6 months.
Mm-hmm.
So the first property I saw in Manali, I went there the next day. My property dealer called me that there's some property which you can come and see. I went there. I just took a day. Next day I signed it.
अच्छा जल्दी खबर दबर में कर दी
बहुत
तुमने।
जल्दी sign
so
कर
number
दी।
one खबर दबर में नहीं करना चाहिए।
टाइम ही नहीं लिया, मनाली को एक्सप्लोर ही नहीं किया। इट वाज अ टोटल गैम्बल फ्रॉम माय साइड कि मैं गया, मैंने पहली प्रॉपर्टी देखी, मुझे और कुछ नहीं पता था। मैं इतना ज्यादा फोकस था, इतना ज्यादा कन्विंस था कि बस अब प्रॉपर्टी खोलनी है, क्योंकि टाइम जा रहा था। इंटर्न्स हायर कर लिए थे, ब्रांड का सब कुछ पीछे बना दिया था, प्रॉपर्टी नहीं थी स्टार्ट करने के लिए। तो व्हेन देयर आई साइंड इट। Then second mistake, obviously, you realize when you start working on that property. साइन तो कर ली, बहुत बड़ी भी थी। अब जितनी बड़ी प्रॉपर्टी उतने बड़े प्रॉब्लम्स। That property must be like good 15 to 20 years old. The structure,
yeah.
probably more. So I didn't have a clue back then because साइन तो हो गई है। अच्छा अब क्या है कि अब रेंट शुरू होने वाला है 15 दिन 20 दिन में something that I think I got that much time only. And then when my team got in, we realized that we have to change everything. Like we have to change the whole electrical setup. We have to make the plumbing new from the scratch. So we have to like हमने पूरी tiling civil work अंदर से tiling वाइलिंग उखाड़ के flooring उखाड़ के पूरी plumbing करी, पूरी electrical दोबारा करा from scratch. Obviously it was time taking, but it was more expensive. You spend a lot of money doing that.
Just fixing and repairing things, yeah.
Fixing and repairing things. So I think these were the two major mistakes what I did.
You know, and what you're saying is right. What happens is the biggest mistake that most of us do, and you and I still make this mistake. We still make it because there is one front end of a property, all right, which we are all seeing, which our consumers are enjoying, and you know, which we are marketing, and which is the product. But the back end of that property is equally important.
Very important.
Like, and you and I have done this mistake until I think even the last, 2 or 3 properties that we've opened, staff rooms are not adequate.
Yeah.
Or the plumbing is not the drainage is not appropriate.
Great. Yeah.
Or the waterproofing is there is something like that. And even though we are signing new properties, but this is a very important
lesson for us.
Yeah,
Quality should be there.
कि ना फ्रंट एंड तो जरूरी है ही, बट उतना ही जरूरी है हर प्रॉपर्टी का बैक एंड भी है। हाँ, कि जनरेटर कहाँ रखा है, फिर वो सब स्टोर रूम्स कहाँ है। These become a operational issue sometimes. First thing, so पहले हम लोग ये तो हम टेबल पे गूगल मैप्स पहले हम पूरा इंडिया घूमते हैं।
Yeah.
कि हम सोचते हैं कि हम क्या करें, क्या करें। We take some basic domestic surveys we do, what cities are doing well.
We take out data
we take out some data. So this happens on the desk, all right. And then so let's say we've shortlisted a city, and now we need to open in that city.
So
how do we go about it, huh?
So obviously, when you're expanding, then everything has to be very quick, but you have to have patience. You can't let go of your patience and just ended up signing a wrong property for yourself, because that's gonna be that will be like a pain in your journey throughout. It's not gonna be very fruitful for you in a longer period of time. Yes, you may enjoy it for a few years started, because at the end it's gonna be a new property, or you must have signed, like you said, like front end is looking amazing, people are loving it, but if the back end is not that great, you're gonna suffer for sure.
So key is basically, I think what I'm trying to what we're trying to say is that we should not compromise with the property.
Correct.
Locations.
Still you can change
कर लो, ये या अभी नहीं मिली तो कहीं और देख लो, कभी कोई इन्वेंट्री यहाँ पे खुल जाएगी, वहाँ पे खुल जाएगी, लेकिन जो अल्टीमेटली जो प्रॉपर्टी है वो अच्छी होनी चाहिए, माने कि उसका इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर अच्छा होना चाहिए, एंड उसमें भी ओवर टाइम व्हेन यू डूइंग इट यू डेवलप स्किल्स कि क्या चेक करो क्या नहीं करो, कैसे एग्रीमेंट्स बनाओ, agreements में क्या लिखा होना चाहिए.
So I'll tell you a very funny incident that happened with me in Manali. So it was rainy season, heavily raining as usual. And though I told you that we got the electrical and wiring changed, so everything was new, brand new, like all the lights, all the wiring, everything was new. Because property was next to the mountain, it was touching the mountain,
Okay.
and it was raining. तो पानी आता है तो माउंटेन में आता है तो प्रॉपर्टी में भी आता है. एंड वन फाइन डे पता नहीं क्या हुआ, एकदम से शॉर्ट हुआ एंड प्रॉपर्टी की सारी 100% लाइट्स फ्यूज हो गई. 100%.
And you had occupancy, I'm guessing.
Everything. We had everything and 100% लाइट फ्यूज हो गई. एंड अगले दिन भी बुकिंग्स थी, उसके अगले दिन भी बुकिंग्स थी. आई डिडंट नो व्हाट टू डू. So within few hours, like had to get in touch with Delhi and lots of vendors. After a lot of hustles, within 24 hours, I had to change each and every light of the whole property. That happened, which was really painful at that time. But then, because obviously we knew all of this, then one thing what we were sure about from the start in Artbus, that number one, we're not gonna do any older property which is constructed more than 5 years. So always gonna look for a new one. And that so that number one, we don't have to spend so much
In maintaining it.
in maintaining it. And like you said, like front end and back end works
Both together. Yeah, so absolutely. And अभी भी मुझे लगता है कि one more thing about a property is, I mean, not so much to do with property, but also landlord matters a lot.
Yeah.
And I think one red flag that we have is that the landlord should not be living near the property.
Yeah.
Because I mean, while of course it's very nice, if they're supportive, it's very nice. But if they're not supportive, then it can be a really difficult,
Really
difficult
difficult.
to handle. To handle that aspect.
Yes, this is very true. Landlord shouldn't live in your property or near your property. Second, what I feel is it shouldn't be their first business. So it can be a side business for them. That's okay.
Like an asset which is just yielding some income.
Yes, if that's their first business, this is what they do for living. They're gonna be on your head each and every time. Doesn't matter you are doing everything right about the property or maintaining it very well, but they're gonna interfere in your day-to-day operation. Yes.
Yeah.
So which is very very bugging after the point of time, and you won't be able to handle that.
Yeah.
So that is one thing to avoid for sure.
So we are saying that of course location is important. You will not do a location that is not attractive or commercially viable, but the property is key.
Property
is key. Should be good.
You have to be patient finding the right property.
हाँ कि जल्दी में ऐसे sign नहीं करो कि
जल्दी में sign नहीं करनी. If let's say you have pinpointed a location which is Manali or anywhere else or Rishikesh. So after pinpointing the location, you have to see all the options available at that point of time. Every time, every option can't be available. So either you wait for the right time, or you choose the best option available at that point, or you change the location. So you have to be patient. Number two, you can't sign a property which is 5 years older. Than that, because you never know. Like वो होता है ना कि पुरानी गाड़ी तो ले ली,
कि अब उसमें क्या
अब क्या है अंदर पुराने
बनाने वाले भी भूल जाते हैं कि क्या क्या डाला है.
करेक्ट. किया क्या है आपको नहीं पता. And
so 1, 2 we covered, and 3 would be
have
a nice cooperative landlord.
Cooperative landlord.
Somebody you can get along with. No, is
Trust.
reasonable. Is reasonable, because see, while of course it's our job to maintain the property, but there is some work that we can both do together. So a reasonable landlord
has to be very very understandable in the sense कि no matter what, at the end अगर कुछ भी गलत होता है property में या कोई problem आती है तो he has to be on your side, not against you.
Correct. हाँ.
So if I may, then obviously in Manali I didn't have a very good experience with my landlord, because COVID आया था, इतने सारे लोगों की help कर रहे थे. And Manali mein, there's a way that you have to pay rent 6 months in advance. So imagine I have paid for 6 months. I have done nothing because it was lockdown. And as soon as the lockdown ended, he asked for advance rent for again next 6 months. How could anybody can pay that much amount of money to anyone? So these things really matters.
Yeah.
And like you said, he used to live near the property, so it was more, you know, like that. So obviously that was the first. So that's why
Yeah,
you learn.
many things to learn. So, but let's say, you know, once we finance the property, we've got something that the back end is great, the front end is great, and you know, all are, we have quite a specific checklist. So then, at least I would say at this stage in our business, it's not that difficult to start a new property.
Yeah.
Because again our checklists are very complete from even like, you know, जो हमारी लिस्ट बनी हुई है कि ओपनिंग का क्या क्या सामान है, उसमें लक्ष्मी गणेश की मूर्ति भी लिखी हुई है.
Yeah.
You know, we are that thorough
Yeah.
at this point of time कि सब कुछ जाना है, कैसे जाना है, you know, all of that. और अब हमारा स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन हो गया. लेकिन जब डेफिनेटली जब पहली प्रॉपर्टी बनाई, दूसरी तक प्रॉपर्टी
धीरे
बनाई,
धीरे करते हैं.
हाँ, तो उसमें जरूर एक कंफ्यूजन सी रहती है कि इसको क्या ऐसे बनाई. You constantly have to resist. Then what happens is that, you know, these properties are Art-Baz properties. They are not Shashank's properties or Anubhav's properties. So Anubhav and Shashank have to resist personalizing every property.
Yeah.
Like इसमें ये कर लेते हैं, इसमें वो कर लेते हैं.
तुम्हें ये पेंटिंग पसंद
हाँ,
है,
ऐसे कर लेते हैं. नहीं. But you know, then now Art-Baz has its own identity.
Yeah.
And all the properties have to, you know, represent that identity.
Even now, our network has so grown in a way where people who are looking for these properties for us, they are very well known that okay, क्या चाहिए हमें, Art-Baz को चाहिए क्या, and क्या वो देंगे. मतलब अब हमारे पास वो प्रॉपर्टीज आएंगी नहीं जो हम एक बारी में रिजेक्ट कर देते हैं. So which is great, but it takes time to build that, which we were able to do very nicely, I think.
The other challenge comes when you're setting up. Okay, we've set up. You know,
now you have taken the property, you have signed the property.
Signed the property हो गई.
And very important thing,
so
while signing,
उसको complete कर दिया, बताओ.
the contract is very important. It has to be very thorough. It has to be legally vetted.
Yeah.
And because India is a huge country with a lot of different states, so every state has their different
Has
rules.
its own rulings, हाँ.
So then you have to see according to the state which state you're signing the property, you know, where, and you have to work around it. You have to work around the state laws and everything.
Yeah, because absolutely right. हर state का मतलब अलग-अलग है उनके सिस्टम में, अलग पेमेंट के सिस्टम है, अलग कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बनाने के सिस्टम है. Anyways, हाँ. तो अभी हमने प्रॉपर्टी कर ली, you know, इज रेडी, हमने उसको कर लिया. अब टीम कैसे? टीम इज अ बिग चैलेंज.
Team is a big challenge.
टीम इज अ बिग चैलेंज. बट वो ये धीरे धीरे नेटवर्क बन जाता है. फर्स्ट सेकंड प्रॉपर्टी में जरूर मुश्किल होता है, बट यू नो नाउ मतलब we've had people of LinkedIn also, word of mouth also, बगल बगल में बोल दिया, agencies also. Basically, you have to have all your tracks open. कहीं ना कहीं कोई ना कहीं से तो बैठ ही जाएगा.
But the team is very important. If you are not going to manage your own property and you want someone else to do it for you, then you have to choose the right people very, very carefully, because it's make it or break it.
Yeah.
Right? Because they are going to be the one who's going to be welcoming your guest. Your first impression is going to be the people who will welcome your guest on front desk. And then housekeeping is obviously the backbone of our industry, but still I would say this, housekeeping is one of the most important department in our whole business.
Yeah.
It needs to be vetted, it needs to be trained, it needs to be executed very, very nicely. So team is obviously,
but you know, even like team is, because of the nature of this industry, attrition rate is very high.
yeah,
So वो तो मतलब okay, you can say कि अरे स्टार्टअप के लिए टीम मुश्किल है, पर वो टीम मेंटेन करना भी उतना ही मुश्किल है.
Yeah.
You know, वो साल के बाद में कितने लोग सेम रहते हैं, कितने नहीं रहते.
yeah.
It's
And उनको
like that.
motivate रखना ही बहुत मुश्किल है. Like even if people are willing to stay with you, but there are some people वो क्या होता है, बहुत used हो जाते हैं अपनी जॉब से, एक साल बाद परफॉर्म करना छोड़ देते हैं कि ठीक है कर लिया तो कर लिया. तो उनके अंदर से वो एनर्जी नहीं जानी चाहिए. So वो
काम करने की, you know, to constantly create value.
Yeah.
वो रूटीन ना बने.
But I think वो जो होता है ना, वो ऊपर से आता है आपकी कंपनी में.
Correct.
And अगर वो है तो वो नीचे तक फिर पहुंच जाता है.
Percolate हो जाते हैं.
हाँ. And अगर वो नहीं है तो फिर you're gonna be in big troubles.
So that's it. I think we've covered it all. I mean, there is a lot more to do. Of course, there's marketing and sales, which is the main thing.
Yeah.
You know, that you put together. But I guess as far as opening a property, we can, you know, leave that conversation for another time.
Yeah.